Good morning, students, and welcome to Ambuja Public School, Rabriawaz. And I am your maths teacher, Vinita Patel, ma'am. So, dear students, today I am going to explain you about chapter number 6, measurement. Okay, and today's topic is weight. How to measure the weight. So, let's see, students, two simple balances are here. So, whenever we weigh two things, the pan which goes upside is having the things which are light in weight, and the pan which is at the downwards position is having the things which are heavy in weight. Okay, so in this case we identify that an apple is heavier than this cuboid thing. Okay, so we have to compare between these two things, that this one is heavier and this one is lighter. When both are in same place, that time we can say that both are of same weight. Okay, in other case also I am showing you again. One is a football and this one is also a type of a ball. This one is heavy and this one is light. Light things goes up and heavy things goes downside. Okay, so in this case we can say that both things are not in equal weight. So whenever we are going to measure, we should find out that the things are in equal weight or not. Okay, let's see. This is a weighing scale. Okay, this is the image of a weighing scale. We put things over here and we will find out that the weight of the given thing. Okay, here I am showing you the weight of two mangoes. Okay, they are of 500 grams. Okay, because this weighing scale is having only 1 kg weight. This weighing balance shows only 1 kg of weight. So how do we find out that 1 kg? By adding grams, when 1 kg equals to 1000 grams. Okay, so here I identify that 400 is here and 600 is here, 500 is here. So the weight of these two mangoes are 400 grams, or we can say it half kg, or we can say it half kg. Okay, now in this image, this weighing scale is having weight of 5 kg. Okay, this weighing balance is able to weight the things which are in 5 kg of weight. Okay, so let's see. The weight of 3 apples are 1 kg. No, it's, observe this, it's 800 grams. Okay, observe it carefully. 1 kg is here, but the weight of 3 apples are 800 grams. Okay, so less than 1 kg. 1 kg equals to 1000 grams. Okay, everyone, let's see. This weighing balance is having able to make weight the things of 2 kg. Okay, so again the weight of 3 apples are 500 grams. Okay, means 1 kg is here, so half of 1 kg. Half of 1 kg means half of 1000 grams. Half of 1000 grams is 500 grams. Okay, so we can say that I am just showing this pen. 1 kg. 1 kg equals to 1000 grams. Okay, 1000 grams, and this is 500 grams. Okay, so when we add to 500 we will get 1 kg. Okay, in this image, this is measured and the weight of this is 4 kg. Okay, let's see few more examples from your textbook. The weight of Akif's ball is 1 kg. Akif is this, and the weight of Akif's ball is 1 kg. The weight of Ishan's ball is less than 1 kg. Okay, 1 kg weight is here and both balances are in same position, so they are balanced. So the weight of Akif's ball is 1 kg, but the weight 1 kg is heavier, so it goes down and it is lighter. So we can say that the weight of Ishan's ball is less than 1 kg because it is at upward direction. Okay. Akif said, my ball is as heavy as the 1 kilogram weight. Both are same in weight. My ball is lighter than 1 kilogram weight. It is lighter than 1 kilogram weight. Okay. The total weight of two balls is more than 1 kg because this is equal to 1 kg and it is less than 1 kg. So we can say that the weight of two balls is more than 1 kg. Okay. Yes, everyone. This ball is 1 kg and this ball is less than 1 kg. When we add together, we can say that the total weight of two balls is more than 1 kg. Let's see one more example. Jocelyn and Kate estimate the weight of the mangoes and the watermelon before weighing them. Okay, mango and watermelon. I guess the weight of the mango is less than 1 kg. Yes, do you know that? Her guess is right or wrong? Yes, I hope her guess is right because the weight of one mango is less than 1 kg because 1 kg is heavy weight, but the weight of one mango is definitely less than 1 kg. I guess the weight of watermelon is more than 1 kg. Yes, I think that she is also right because watermelon is heavy in weight and she guessed right that the weight of the watermelon is more than 1 kg. Okay, so let's see. Jocelyn and Kate check the weight of each item by using weighing scale. So let's see. This one, mango is less than 1 kg. Watermelon is more than 1 kg, means it is more than 2 kgs also. So it is more heavier and the packet of a sugar is 1 kg in weight. Okay. So dear students, are you able to guess or estimate the weight of an object before measuring it? Sometimes we can identify that the weight of 1 kg is how much. So by practice at home, you can identify or guess that the estimate weight of an object is like this. I hope you all understand that what is weighing balance and how to measure the weight of different things. Okay everyone? Thank you everyone and bye bye.